This is the Surearly ovulation test. It's really easy to read and accurate. It has digital results, so it'll say either yes for the LH surge or no for the LH surge. And there's 20 tests in the box, so there's no more guessing cycling days. You can maximize your chances of getting pregnant, and you can even find your 2 most fertile days. It's over 99% accurate in detecting the LH surge in laboratory studies. So right here, this is the actual product here, and all that you do is simply remove this right from the foil pouch, and then you take off the cap and you simply insert it into here as so. And then you wait for the water droplet to appear, which as you can see, there is a water droplet. What's nice is you can easily test indirectly in your urine stream for 3 seconds, or you can place the absorbent tip in your urine collected in the container for about 10 seconds. So I will put it inside here for about 10 seconds. And then all that you do is just let it sit flat and you wait for the water drop symbol will begin to blink. So it's been about 10 seconds. So we are going to currently wait for it to blink. And then once it does start to blink, you wait 3 minutes for the results. It has been 3 minutes, and as you can see, it says no for no LH surge. So if you are interested in purchasing this great product, check out the link below and buy it. Don't forget to like up this video and share it for the Surearly.